In the last video, we looked at exponential functions 8.1.1 through 8.1.6, examples 1 and 2. In this video, we're going to be looking at example 3. So for example 3, Luann has $500 to open a savings account. She can open an account at Frederico's bank, which pays 7% interest compounded monthly, or Money First Bank, which pays 7.25% compounded quarterly. Luann plans to leave the money in the account untouched for 10 years. In which account should she place her money? Justify your answer. So we're looking at compound rates, the growth of compound rates. Frederico's, so Frederico's has a rate of 7%. So it's got 7%, and that's compounded monthly. So 7% split up over 12 months. So you take and divide 7% by 12 months to figure out how much it's growing per month. So 7% written as a decimal is going to be the helpful way to plug that into a calculator. So 0.07 divided by 12, and we get a monthly increase of 0.00583, and the 3 is repeated. So if this is our monthly increase, remember we always start at 100%. We're adding this to our already existing 100%. So because this is written as a decimal and this is a percentage, we would be adding those. So our multiplier is 1.00583. You're asked to calculate how much money would be in this account after 10 years. So after 10 years, how would we do that? It'd be helpful if we had an equation. We were told that she started with $500. So our starting value is 500. We know the multiplier is 1.00583, and it's going to be after 10 years. So 10 years, we want to know months. 10 years equals how many months? So 10 times 12 months and per year, and we get 120 months per year. So our x value, our input, is 120. So to calculate how much money would be in this account after 10 years, it helps if you start by plugging in your growth. So 1.00583 to the 120th power equals, we get 2 point some number, so then we're going to multiply that answer by 500. And we get, after 10 years, there would be $1,004.43. So after 10 years, this is how much money is in Frederico's. So in the Money First account, this one is 7.25% compound quarterly. So that means split up 4 times per year. So we take, if we were to write this as a decimal, 0.0725, and divide it by 4 to find out how much time it's growing each quarter. So 0.0725 divided by 4, and we get that there's a growth of 0.018125 per quarter. So again, if we start at 100%, we're adding this number that we just found to the 1% that we already have. So we get a multiplier of 1.01825. So we want to know in 10 years how many quarters have passed. So how many quarters are there in 10 years? So you multiply the 10 by 4. There's 4 quarters per 1 year. And we get that there would be 40 quarters. So our equation, our starting value is 500. Our growth this time is different, 1.018125 to the 40th power. So 1.018125 to the 40th power equals 2.05 and some more numbers. So then you just take that answer, hit times 500, and we get that there would be $1,025.69. So even though this one is compound less, it's making more money than this one that's being compound monthly. So the percentage in this case helps to be larger for the money first account.